Hey guys, I hope everything is going well on your side, and once again I'm back with a fresh strategy for making money online. So if you're broke and you want to fix that immediately, this is the video for you. Your bills and expenses will be paid by these 3 apps I'm gonna be talking about, and all of them don't require you to be an expert at anything, but you obviously need some guidance in order for you to use them correctly and make money today. So sit tight. So for you guys that need clarification, this method is suitable for every location in the world, so it doesn't matter where you come from, as long as you have your laptop ready, or it could be your phone, and just make sure it has internet connection as well so you can get these dollars right away. Another fact is this method of making money online won't require any money from you. It's completely free, unlike other methods of making money online. So there's no excuse for you to sit back and watch others make a ton of money. So what I expect you to do after learning this method is you will repeat the strategy over and over, so you can wake up every morning to a notification telling you that you have made an amazing figure. So make sure you watch the video till the end to avoid missing out on some crucial steps that will put you at a disadvantage. And remember to subscribe to this channel if you are new, because here I teach brand new ways of making money online without capital. So without further ado, I am the Make Money Online strategist. Let's not waste time, let's make some cash. So the first app that will pay us is surveytime.io. So this is a website that will pay us for every survey, and all of the surveys are beginner friendly. What I like about Survey Time is that it is a very simple and easy to do survey, and each survey takes about a minute to complete. So what I will show you is a couple of options you could use to withdraw your earnings. Examples include Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, PayPal, and that's just to name a few. So to use this app to make money, you have to set up an account here on Survey Time. So you have to take a look on the top left of the home page, and you will see a sign up form waiting for you, where you'll choose if you want to sign up using a Facebook account, Google or Twitter, or you could just enter your email and forget about using your social media account. And then after doing that, you can tick on the box where it says you agree on their terms and conditions, and then click on Start Now. What you need to know though is that you have to answer the test survey first. So after clicking on Start Now, you will be brought to a page where you will add your answers, and the test survey will ask you questions about yourself, like your age, hobby, occupation, and the surveys don't take a lot of time, so you need to complete as many as you can to make a lot of money. So the second website that will pay us is none other than Remote Tasks. So this is an online tasking platform that focuses on helping developing artificial intelligence, neural networks, and machine learning technologies. They collaborate with different companies to develop smart technologies and gadgets. Remote Tasks have a lot to offer to individuals like me and you that want to make money. So what you want to do is join the platform by registering. You can use your Facebook or Gmail account to join, and you need a PayPal account because that's where they will send their weekly rewards to you. This method is also beginner friendly because Remote Tasks will train you a little bit just to make sure you do things the right way. So here you will access their written instructions for each task, and they have demos that will help you practice before you do the tasks for real. So tasking is a feature that allows you to complete assignments and projects based on the training you've completed. It ranges from outlining an object from an image, transcription of text from an image, categorizing, comparison, etc. So as a result, you have control over the types of projects you will receive and how quickly you will earn. Remote Tasks pay you every week, and they give you a chance to advance your earning potential by moving you into senior positions that will pay you even more. So if you're enjoying the video, please push the like button, and don't be shy to leave a comment below if you're lost, and I will reply with a much detailed explanation. Anyway, the third and final app is PassBreak. Here you can make money by browsing articles and watching videos on your phone. PassBreak is a mobile application that rewards you for reading breaking news from popular magazines and newspapers like New York Times, Forbes, and other reputable sources depending on the country you live in. This app is available for Android and iOS devices. You can filter the content based on 6 topics, which are news, sports, entertainment, lifestyle, technology, and business. PassBreak also helps you make money by watching entertainment videos. So the first thing you need to do is download and install the app in your phone. Just go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for PassBreak, and then take it from there. Once you've downloaded it, you can log in or sign up for a new account by entering your name and email. All you need to do to earn points is read the articles and then hit the yellow button after 30 seconds. You don't have to read any of the articles on your newsfeed, but you need to just scroll through the newsfeed until the brown line surrounding the yellow button moves clockwise. Once the brown line reaches full circle, tap on the yellow button to claim your points. So if it happens you read the article, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and see an ad, and you earn 150 points for browsing the newsfeed and 300 points for reading the article. And PassBreak has a low minimum cash out, and I recommend cashing out as soon as possible to avoid random issues that will delay your payments. And once you've requested payment, you should receive your money in not more than 2 days. So that's what you need to do. You can maximize your earning potential by using the 3 apps I showed you, and you can make even more money by watching some of the videos from the channel to add more winning strategies. So that's it for today, and I hope you got some value from this video, and thanks for watching.